welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to another day of Lovemas. Today we're doing unboxing of my FabFitFun winter box. Okay, I know a lot of you guys don't watch this video, but I don't care because I love this subscription box so much. Like so much. It's my favorite subscription box that I have ever had because I can customize like almost everything that's in the box, so it always makes it so worth it to me. It's not overwhelming because it's only once every 3 months. It's quarterly. It's $49.99 quarterly, and I feel like it's totally worth it. You get a lot of products in here. They're always full size. I mean, you get a variety of different things. You get makeup, you get fitness, you get home stuff. I mean, there's really not a lot of fitness stuff in here most of the time. Maybe it's because I don't ever choose the fitness stuff. It's just like a lifestyle box, and I love it. I love it so much. And holy crap, look at this thing, you guys. Look how big this is. This is like the biggest box I've ever gotten. Like, I'm pretty sure this is the biggest one I've ever gotten. This is enormous. I am so excited about this. Like I said, I get to choose what's in my box. So I know why it's big because there's some larger things in here, but wow, it's still shocking. So we're just gonna unbox it together. I'm gonna show you everything I got. I also shopped the add-on sale, so I will show you guys at the end the things that I got. They do an add-on sale where you can buy extra products at a really discounted price from like really good brands and stuff too, and a lot of things that you would like buy from like Target, like things you didn't need, but you know, it's there, so why not? So I'll share those with you guys at the end, but let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, it's enormous. I can't stop saying oh my god. Oh, there's a little sticker. They always include little like coupons and stuff to some of the brands that they work, companies that they work with. This one has like a little scratch off. I love scratching things off. $0. Okay. $45. Ooh. And zero. Okay. Ooh, so it's a $45 off. Oh, it's all $45. Everyone gets the $45. Why'd you give me a scratch off then? I know I won't be able to use this, but that's cool. I don't know, that was fun. I really just wanted to scratch the thing off. And then they always have this HelloFresh. Oh my god, I want to use this so bad. I truly get so sad every month when we get these. It's a HelloFresh 9 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. A HelloFresh like code thing. It says redeem in 30 days though, so I can't use this. Here you go, first dibs. If you want it, it's yours. I would use it if I could. All right, we got our little magazine here, which is always fun to read. Tells you all the products and everything that you could have got, that you know, that you did get, an explanation of them. A little sparkle to your shine. $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Here's another one. $15 off your first FabFitFun box if you want to subscribe to it. There's the code. First come, first serve. Here's my box. Super stuffed full. All right, let's start with this. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this, you guys. So this is Summer and Rose. We got a blanket from Summer and Rose like last year, I want to say, that is so incredibly soft, and me and my husband still use it. It's so good. It's so good. So this is a robe. A robe. Oh my god. And you know what was amazing about this is that FabFitFun offered sizes, so you could do the standard size or a plus size robe. So I got the plus size robe. Sorry, my chair is so squeaky. I'm sorry. So here's the robe. Oh my god, it feels amazing. It's so thick and soft. Ooh, and it's actually longer than what I thought it would be. It's got a hood. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. It has pockets. Oh my god, I love it. It goes down to like my knees, which I like. It's a good length. It's got a little tie. This is so soft. Oh my god, it's so cozy. I'm so excited about this robe. Guys, this is such a good box. I cannot wait to like open the other stuff too. Okay, first of all, this is it retails for $70. Holy crap, that's crazy. So this is worth more than the whole box. Oh my god, I love this. I love this, I love this, I love this. I'm so excited. I kind of want to keep it on the whole time. Look at me. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm actually gonna take it off because my sweater is pretty thick, so I'm gonna get hot if I leave it on. Okay, the next thing in here, all this stuff is so perfect for the winter time. Next thing here, Y'all, these are so exciting. These, my friends, are the largest freaking socks you've ever seen in your entire life. Look how fluffy these are. Look at them. Oh my God, they're so cute. These are so freaking cute. Okay, so I have the size large, extra large, because I have big feet. These are the original Mukluks. M-U-K-L-U-K-S. Mukluks. Oh, they do like little boots and stuff. And like head wrap things. Cute. They're faux Sherpa lined to keep you warm. They retail for $25, and I could like totally see my, like, these are large. Wow. Look at the inside. It's got like fuzzy, oh my gosh. Wow, if you live somewhere where it's really cold, which actually the company says it's from Wisconsin, so it makes sense. These are the ultimate winter socks, slipper things. They also have little things at the bottom, like to stop from slipping. I'm putting this on right now. I gotta take my other fuzzy socks off. I wanna see what this feels. Oh, it's so warm. Wow, they're so thick. These feel, ooh, definitely stops you from slipping around. I need you guys to see my socks. Look at them. Look at them, they're so cute. They're so cute, look at them. And they're so warm and cozy. I don't know why that was so much work to show you guys. So I have a robe, I have my fuzzy socks, and I will never be cold again. Wow, these are like some incredible freaking sock slippers. They're so thick. Oh my God, I love them. Okay, let's move on to the next stuff here. We're getting close. Oh, did you see that big thing in there? Oh, I'm so excited to share that. Let's do the small little things first. Okay, first we have the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. I'm not so sure I'm into this thing. I don't even know if I really want to open it. It's a dry brush for your face. And I don't know if I'm into that. Plus I just don't use face tools enough. Like I really don't. I just forget about them. It's okay, there's always stuff that I don't like in the box, but other stuff that I love, so it makes it worth it, you know? This retails for $20. Use on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Yeah, see, I'm gonna give this to someone else. I just don't think this is something that I will use. Okay, the next thing I have here is a below the belt card case. This little tiny thing retails for $35. I don't know about that. I would not pay $35 for this. It's super tiny, kind of cute. I don't love that it's red. I don't normally go for like red things like this, but you know, actually, surprisingly, this is something I can see myself using, because it would be really nice to have something small to put like a credit card in, and then also my military ID, because we have to use our military ID for like everything on base and to get on base, and it makes it really easy to have it super handy. So this would make it super easy to pull in and out of my purse, you know, or just stuff this in my pocket really quick. It's got a pocket here, and then it has two here, and then it has a little zipper at the back. So I'm not mad at this, honestly. I think I'm actually gonna try this out. I think it could be helpful for me. It's really annoying to have to open up my wallet and try to grab my military ID out, especially when I'm driving and stuff, to get onto base. So that actually I think is cool. Like I'm excited to try that. Okay, this next thing is probably pretty boring to most people, but I wanted to try it. This is the DP Hue AVC Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder. Absorbs oils and impurities while adding a touch of lift and texture with the power of apple cider vinegar. And it retails for $24. I wanted to try this because it's really hard for me to get dry shampoos over here to ship it to Italy, because not a lot of things ship to Italy. That's not what I meant to say. I meant to say like aerosols don't ship to Italy, so anything that's not an aerosol, especially most dry shampoos come in aerosol, so if it doesn't, I like to try them. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, it smells I just got powder everywhere because I blew on it. It smells really good. Ooh, that's exciting. I didn't expect it to smell that good. I'm really excited to try this because I don't use dry shampoo a lot, maybe like once a week. But if I don't have dry shampoo, then I'm like, what am I doing with my life? I need dry shampoo because I don't want to wash my hair. So this is so good. I'm excited to have that. Then we have an Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. Do I even want to open this? Not really. I think I'm not gonna open this. I just have too many liquid liners out right now, and it's not something that I'm really that excited excited about. Retails for $21, but yeah, I'm gonna skip on that. I think I'm just going to, but oh, they have blemish patches? When? I want that. Oh, that must be something that they chose. Oh my gosh. I love looking at all the other stuff you could have got like in the magazine. I'm still happy with what I have though. Like, I like the stuff I have. Anyways, I'm gonna, again, put this to the side in case somebody else wants it because I'm not gonna use it. I have too many liquid eyeliners open right now, and I have some that I really love. So I'm gonna just put that aside for someone else. Why not? Now this is definitely something I want to try. This is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. Lift, lengthen, and curl organic shea butter and arginine. Words are hard. This retails for $28. And I love the brand Ilia, and I really needed more mascaras to try because I'm running low right now. I don't buy mascaras very often. This feels really nice. Let's look at the brush. Oh, so it's like, oh, it has some flexibility. It's like a plasticky one, which I don't hate. I definitely prefer like the traditional bristles. Ugh, that smells so gross. I hate when mascara is super strong smelling. Ooh, the bristles are kind of interesting. One side has like long ones, and then the other side has like just a curved edge. That's kind of interesting, but that's cool. I'm definitely gonna try that out. Okay, we've come to the last and the best thing in the box that I've been oh my god, I want to, I'm so excited about this, you guys. I'm so excited about this. This is by Impressions Vanity. You know, if you've ever watched beauty gurus, like beauty room tour things, they always have those big Impressions Vanity Hollywood style mirrors on their vanities. So this is by like the same company that's really popular among that kind of mirror. But this is like a travel size or like just a small desktop kind of mirror, and I'm so excited to try this because ever since I changed the setup to my filming, like when I moved my desk around, I'll put the video up here if you want to see it. It was the second day of Lovemas when I was decorating in here for Christmas. And ever since I did that, it's kind of hard to do my makeup because I don't have my ring light to face me and I need more light. So I'm so excited for this. This came perfect timing. I've been really needing a mirror or some sort that I can put more light on. Ooh, it comes with batteries. I was wondering, because I saw in the back of the box that I opened this box before I did this with you guys, but I didn't open like the actual products. I just saw what was in my box. Anyways, I read the back of the box and it said that you can do it with batteries or you can plug it in with a USB cable. So it comes with the little USB cable and it also has a little set of batteries. I thought it wasn't gonna include any batteries, which is fine because I have batteries. Batteries, how many times can I say batteries? Okay, it's got little stoppers on the bottom here. That's the stand. Pretty. This is the mirror. Oh my god, it's so nice. I can't believe we got this. This is such a good freaking pick for the box. FabFitFun really chooses amazing things. I will say it's a little loose. Definitely is a little loose when it comes to that. Did I put it on? No, that's right. Yeah, it's a little wobbly, Here it is, lit up. Okay. I feel like, let me see here. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't stay up, like it falls. Am I doing something wrong here? Also, does it only have one lighting setting? Let me see. Let me read directions a little bit. That wasn't helpful. Soft touch sensor dimmer switch. Simply tap the soft touch to turn the lights on or hold it down to adjust the brightness. Ooh, okay. Ah! It's making a noise. Ah, it's making a really high-pitched noise. Oh my god. Okay, it went away. It's back. So you can definitely adjust it, but it's kind of weird because I think that's the brightest it goes. That's not bad. Oh my gosh, why doesn't it stay though? That's really annoying. It just keeps falling like that. And I can't see nothing. See, like, I really like it. I really like it. But that is like such a huge turn off. It's kind of such a huge turn off though that's doing that. I don't know why it's so like loose. I don't know. Like if I keep it up like this, it's okay. But when am I gonna look down into the mirror like that? I don't know. I don't know, I think I have to play with it more. I still think it's a really good thing to have though. I do. I really do. Plus it's not like I paid full price for it since it came in the box. So it is what it is. All right guys, that's everything that was in the box. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the things that I got on the add-on sale. So first of all, I got this, a little cup. I drink out of these so much. It really helps me like drink water and stuff. I don't know, I love drinking out of these tumbler cups. This is by Kate Spade, and I didn't necessarily get it because it's Kate Spade. I don't really care about like names, but I really like the color. It's super cute. It's got like a little bit of an ombre, and it's pretty big. It's 20 ounces. Yeah, I thought this was nice, so I got that. I'm really excited about it. Then I got a Sponge Gel Vanilla Peach Body Wash Infused Buffer, which I've had these before, and I love these. These are so great. I love them so much. Oh, it smells so good. Basically, it's body wash infused into a sponge, and this one says you can use 14 plus uses. And yeah, I really like these a lot. So I got one of those. These were all really inexpensive things since it was the add-on sale. They just have products at like really discounted prices. This is kind of random, but I got a 3-port USB car charger. It basically has 3 USB ports for the little cigarette lighter thingy, you know. Thought that was handy because it had 3, and the one that we have only has 1, I think. And the next things are makeup-y things, and I got a Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow for super cheap, like $8 or something. I don't know, I can't remember exactly, but super cheap. This is the shade Kitten Karma. It's really pretty. It looks like that. It's gorgeous, it really is. But I think I'm gonna be putting this in a giveaway because I think this would be, someone would really like to get this in the giveaway. And I already have a mini size and I don't use it very often, but I just wanted to get it because I thought it would be a great thing, a great add-in, a great thing to put into the giveaway. And then they had some products from Mented, which I have been wanting to try Mented for a while. I heard Jackie Aina talk about them like a while back, and I had had my eye on them for quite some time, and they had some products. So I have 2 lipsticks. Here's like what the little, it kind of looks like MAC in a way. Here's this one. It's a deeper brown shade. I love shades like that. And then I have this one, which is the Peach Please. Did I have them backwards? I did. So that one was brand nude. This is Peach Please, which is another really nice nude shade. Yeah, I was excited to have those. And then I got a lip gloss. This is Send Nudes lip gloss. And it is a dark brown shade. Ooh, I love a deep chocolatey dark brown shade. And the last thing, the most exciting thing of all is this. This is the Milk Makeup Baked Bronzer. The matte bronzer stick in baked, and I'm so excited to have this because I have a mini one that I bought like this for $15, but the packaging broke, so I can't turn it to get any of the extra the product up. And I got this one in the add-on sale for $15, same price, but it's the full size. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is gonna last me literally an eternity. I've heard people say that it's like really hard to go through these sticks, and I'm so excited because I really like this cream bronzer. Actually, I'm not gonna open it yet because I'm not quite finished using this one, but I'll show you guys a little swatch. That's the bronzer shade. It's really nice. It really is nice. Like, I love this cream bronzer. It's so good. And I think that is everything. That's everything that I got for FabFitFun this quarter. I know this isn't a very popular video, but I really don't care because I love it that much. But if you did watch this video and if you made it to the end, I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you considered subscribing to my channel. I'm doing videos all December long. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.